With the COVID-19 positive cases rising continuously in Manipur, apprehensions of community transmission grows as the total tally crosses 2,000 mark in the state. While in an alarming medical situation, an attendant of the Department of Respiratory Medicine RIMS hospital have been tested positive for COVID-19 and 2 boy hostels at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences in Imphal have been completely sealed after one of the hostelers' mother tested positive for COVID-19. One attendant of the Department of Respiratory Medicine RIMS have been tested positive for COVID-19 and was among the 14 people tested positive for the contagion on Tuesday. According to a press release issued by the RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, the attendant visited Respiratory Medicine OPD, Respiratory Medicine Ward, ECG Room in OPD Block, Radio Diagnosis Department, Respiratory Medicine Department and Plastic Surgery Department. As such, RIMS, OPD, block and all the departments, wards which the attendant visited have been closed to 1 week with immediate effect. However, emergency services would not be affected, said Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar Singh, Hospital Superintendent of RIMS.
3 staffs has been tested positive. So the first one was on 9th of July and he has been tested COVID after staying 14 days in the quarantine center of RIMS. Second one was who was a junior resident, final year in the physiology department, and he was diagnosed to be COVID positive on 17th. Another attendant of the respiratory medicine department was also found positive.
Dr. Arun Kumar also further said that all the faculty members, nurses and other staff who were in close contact with the attendants and his contacts would be tested for COVID-19 on July 23rd and 24th.
When we detect the junior assistant doctor in the physiology department, there's all of a sudden, so we closed for 2 days of the department in that building where they housed 3 departments, and the next day we subjected for COVID-19 testing for 105 staffs and 36 staff for the flu clinic, and during that time we completely cleaned the 3 departments. Attendant was positive, so we closed down the OPD because he went inside the OPD. He was moving here and there inside the OPD. He was moving in the X-ray department, so we have to close down the 3 departments.
He also informed that epidemiological investigation and contact tracing inside RIMS have been initiated by the Community Medicine Department's RIMS.
The moment we know that this attendant was positive, we had been starting the contact tracing. So a few contacts we realized, and we picked them up, kept in the quarantine center of RIMS, and 13 of them had done test. It was negative, and now we are planning to do. I have issued an instruction that all should voluntarily come for. We were in contact with that attendant should come here, submit the list, so that we will submit to PCR app to the ICMA portal. Then we will do a test on 23rd.
On the other hand, a press release issued by the Additional Director Health and COVID-19 Common Control Room spokesman Dr. Khairam Sashikumar Mangant said 4 people were tested positive at RIMS and 10 others at Thoubal District Hospital during the last 24 hours. While the recovery rate has reached to 68.5% in the state. After notifying several regions of Thoubal district as containment zones to prevent the spread of COVID-19, the Manipur government has imposed complete lockdown in the district till July 27th. In an alarming medical situation in Manipur, 2 boys' hostel at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences in Imphal have been completely sealed after one of the hostelers' mother tested positive for COVID-19 on Tuesday. According to Medical Superintendent of Jenims Hospital, Professor T. Rajan Singh, a final-year medical student of the institute and a resident of the Thoubal Wangkhem have returned to the hostel from his home on July 14. So far, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in Manipur reached 2,015, while the total active and recovered cases stand at 631 and 1,384 respectively. Bureau Report.